Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the creating custom DSLs in JavaScript. So today we'll be discussing about the JavaScript symbol registry, right? So the symbol registry provides unique and collision-free keys for the object properties. Again, I'm telling the symbol registry provides unique and collision-free keys for object properties. Basically, they are useful for creating private or the special identifiers, right? So let's see the simple example. Um, uh, let's see the simple examples, right? So first one, I'll go with the unique symbols and then we can see the symbol as object keys. Let's see the unique symbols first. So I'll just come here quickly. Let me give symbol 1 or SYM1. I'll just keep this one. Let me make use of the symbol of I'll just consider ID. So this is relevant for this example. Let me consider ID. Here, let me give a symbol 2 or SYM2. Let me again give here symbol of within the strings. I'll just give ID, right? So let's log here. Just give me a second here. What happened here? Yeah, sim1, nothing but symbol 1 equals symbol 2. So basically we have to get the output true, right? So here as this was symbol basically generates the unique symbols, right? We'll be getting the boolean value false instead of true here. So basically what is happening here, I'll quickly explain. Here symbol, this one or this one, this generates a unique symbols. So while we are comparing sim1 with sim2, we are getting the boolean value false instead of true, right? So let me run the code here first. So yeah, you can clearly see we are getting the output false. And what is this one triple equals doing here? Basically symbols with the same description are still unique. And again I'm telling symbols with the same description are still unique. We have the same description right here. You can clearly see of ID I have given. Symbols with the same description are still unique. I am making use of the triple equals, not double equals. Still symbols with the same description are still unique, and symbol here this generates a unique symbols, right? So next, this is it for the creating unique symbols. Next, let's see the symbol as object keys, right? So I'll come here. Let me quickly delete this one. I'll just give here. Let me consider symbol key as the variable name. Let me make use of symbol of description. Let me pass the key within the strings, right? Next, let me consider object as a variable. Within the object, let me make use of sim key itself within the array. So let me pass something. I'll just give here secret. Pass secret within the this one, right? String. So I'll just come out of the object. Let me give here console log of object. Within this one, I'll give symbol key within the array. So we have to get the output secret here. So what happens if I give here console log of object dot keys? If we try to retrieve the keys right here, object dot keys of object, we will not get the output this one. Based on the keys, we need to get the output value, right? So here if I try to give object of within the symbol key within the array, if I pass sim key, I'll get the output secret. So yeah, if I try to make use of the object dot keys of object instead of getting the secret, what I've done here, this one has to be k. So we are trying to retrieve the keys, retrieve the value by making use of the keys, right? So still will not get this one. Basically we'll get the empty array. Again I'm telling in simple terms what I'm doing here. Symbol key I have made use of, right? This one symbol key. So basically what it does here is it prevents the accidental access via object dot keys. This one, this prevents the accidental access via object dot keys, and hidden property makes symbol ideal for private properties. So here the output I'll get is empty array. Let's run the code here. So yeah, you can clearly see here we are getting the output secret as well as the empty array, right? I hope the concept of this one, symbol as object keys and unique, how to create the unique symbol. So basically the concept of JavaScript symbol registry is clear, I hope. So next we will be discussing on advanced testing with Just and Mocha, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.